Namaskar. Myself Dr. Suprit welcomes you all in the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today date is 8th February and we'll start with the weather observed during last 24 hours. So cold wave conditions prevailed in isolated pockets of Himachal Pradesh. Also cold day conditions prevailed in isolated pockets of West Madhya Pradesh. Regarding fog, so dense fog reported in isolated pockets of sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim and also in Odisha. Now if you see the synoptic system prevailing, the western disturbance is now seen as a cyclonic circulation in middle tropospheric levels over North Iran and neighborhood areas. Also the subtropical westerly jet stream with core winds of the order up to 135 knots are prevailing over northeast India. Today highlights of the presentation is the wet spell likely to continue over Western Himalayan regions up to 12th February and a fresh wet spell likely over northeast India during 10th to 12th February. If you see the forecast of temperature, so regarding minimum temperatures, so there is a gradual rise in minimum temperatures by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade is forecasted over northwest India during next 5 days. There is a no significant change in minimum temperatures likely over central and east India for next 24 hours and a gradual rise thereafter by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade during subsequent 4 days. Then there is a no significant change in maximum temperatures likely over central India for 24 hours and gradual rise thereafter by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade during subsequent 4 days. Apart from these, no significant change in minimum and maximum temperatures likely over rest part of the country during next 5 days. Now we will see the subdivision wise weather warning for day 1, that is 8th February today. Warning for cold day is given for isolated pockets of Madhya Pradesh, and for fog, dense fog conditions warning is given for Odisha and sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim. For day 2, dense fog warning is given for isolated places over Odisha and sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim. For day 3, there is no major warning, but for day 4 and 5, thunderstorm along with lightning warning is given for Assam, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh. And on day 5, there is a heavy rainfall warning for Arunachal Pradesh at isolated places is given for day 5, that is 12th February. Also for day 6 and 7, then there is a no major warning given for any parts of the country. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. For more details, you may please log on to mausam.imd.gov.in. Thank you. Namaskar. Jai Hind.